Hey guys, welcome to SQL tutorial. Let's see how we can use identity insert to insert a record into a table with the identity key. The first thing is, why do we need this? Let's say you are migrating data and you want to dump all the existing data into a new database table. And in that case, you want to keep your identity key. So let's say we have a table called products. So as you can see, this is what we have in the products table, right? And we want to insert a new value into the database table. So let me try to solve this in descending. You see we have 322 values in this. So let me try to insert another value 323. Okay, let's say this is model 23 second version. Okay, version 2. Okay, so in this case, if I try to run this query directly, what will happen? I'm getting an error that the identity insert is set to off. So by default it is set to off. So in order to achieve this, we will have to set identity insert products on. So this way, if we run this first, so okay, identity insert is on. So that means we can insert by product ID, and this query is now executed. Let me try to run select query, select star from products, and try to sort it in descending. You can see that we have a new value, product ID 323, that we just inserted. Okay, so just remember that once you're done with this, we should always set the identity insert as off. So that is how we use identity insert in SQL database table. Thank you guys. Like and subscribe. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button.